Verse number 3 is a 2. Number 15. For deep to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 is a 2, number 41. Number 30. Number 30. No good. 43 on the rebound. Is a 2. And still the number 88. Is a 2. 6-2, 8 minutes 45. Shoot. Good. Rebound. Rebound. Single. 12 seconds shoot. Left to shoot. 5 to shoot. Block. Number 9 to number 2. No good. Number 26, drive to the basket. That's a foul on the counts. Foul on number 3. Number 26, basket. 6-5, 7 minutes 50. 14 to shoot. 43 is a 2. 8-5. 7 minutes 25. 10 to shoot. 1, rebound, pass break play. Drive, gets a foul. Foul on number 24. Hacking foul. First throw, basket. Basket. 10-5. Last shot. Number 41. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound. Number 43 must be played. Number 3. Down to shoot. Steal by number 24. The counter steal by Laman. 3-on-1. Alley play. Timeout. Mighty the beat. Number 30 to number 1. 14 to shoot. Number 3, block. Number 25 to number 15. Right to the basket. No good. Rebound number 26. Number 88. Anton Ahmad. Number 30. Number 88, Medrano, short. Number 25, right to the basket, is it 2? They have 7, 5 minutes. Aman, 3 points. 15-7. To 24, back to number 25. 13 to shoot. Right the box still, and number 3. 2-on-1 situation. That's a foul. Foul number 26. Number 5. Sub ref. Sub. Two free throw, number 1. No good. Second throw. Basket. 16-7. 9-point lead. My last. 14. No good. Still by number 26. Is it 2? 16-9. 3 minutes 47 seconds. Number 43, pull up. No good. Number 41. Rebound, save ball. 18 to shoot. And shoot. Number 26 is 2. 16-11 with 3 minutes and 5 seconds. One. Drive, goes in, gets a foul. Foul number 25. Sub right side. First throw, no good. Second throw.
Dapat sinasabihan nila. Dapat sinasabihan nila.
Basket.